Welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. Today's topic will be the eWay-CRM user interface. Last time we learned how to install eWay-CRM. Today we will have a look at the user interface and how eWay-CRM is integrated into Outlook and connected with other Microsoft applications. So let's start. eWay-CRM is an Outlook add-in, so don't look for any icon in your computer or any link on the internet to open it. Just open Outlook and eWay-CRM will launch automatically. The eWay-CRM section will appear in the main Outlook ribbon with the following modules. 1. Marketing. 2. Deals for business opportunities. 3. Projects for project management. 4. Companies for managing a directory of clients and suppliers. 5. Contacts for managing their employees. 6. Reports for advanced analytics. On the left side, there is a field for full text search and a hub where you can find the timeline of all the activities your contacts have entered. Apart from it, you can find a separate eWay-CRM tab in Outlook where all the modules are located. There, you can find modules like Journal, bookkeeping records, emails, documents, and many more. The eWay-CRM Settings and Administration Settings buttons deserve special attention as well. In the eWay-CRM settings, you can turn on the functions which are related to particular users, such as autosave of email communication and contact synchronization with Outlook. And in the administration settings, you can set up CRM parameters that will affect all the employees in your company. These are for user permissions, workflow, custom fields, etc. However, several steps follow up after new buttons display. If we right-click on the email, the new options will appear, so you can 1. Save the email to CRM. 2. Save only the attachments. 3. Create task, deal, project, contact, or journal from email. This feature is very handy when you need to save your business opportunity quickly, or you can turn a request from your client into a task straight away. If you open an email with a double click, you will see a drop-down field called Superior Item in the bottom section. By using this field, you can quickly attach the email to any project or deal. You can also use this feature in the calendar. When you plan a meeting, you can link it to the deal, project, contact, or company thanks to the Superior Item field. Just start typing and the system will find the item. Another interesting feature is eWay Agent. It is a small icon which is located in the Windows system tray next to the clock. Sometimes Windows has hidden it in the notification area. eWay Agent changes colors and it is important to understand the meaning. When the triangle is green, it means the data are up to date and everything is all right. If the triangle is blue, it means there is a synchronization taking place. eWay-CRM is working even offline and therefore it synchronizes all the data on a local device, and that is when the eWay Agent turns blue. If the eWay Agent turns black, that means you are working offline and your data are not uploading to the server. When the eWay Agent is red, it means there is a problem and you need to contact our technical support. The best way to do so is to right-click on eWay Agent, choose Diagnostics, and send a log by email. It will open a new email window with an automatically attached error report, and if you fill in your phone number, we can get in contact with you to resolve the issue as soon as possible. Last but not least, eWay-CRM is also integrated with Word and Excel. In the toolbar, you will find a useful button to quickly save a document to our CRM. It is easy. We are trying to design the whole system to be fully integrated with Outlook. Our goal is to create a standalone, consistent workplace where you don't have to switch from Outlook to CRM all the time. Both systems will become one. To make it short, we just want to make eWay-CRM really simple and user-friendly. That is all for today. Don't hesitate to contact us at support@eway-crm.com if you have any questions or need further information. We are ready to help you. If you wish to watch more inspirational videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you wish to learn more about eWay-CRM, you can also visit our blog, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.